Hello kids, welcome to Math Tutor. Today we are going to see some problems from the ICSE Maths 9th Standard Integrated Exercise. Chapter 1 Rational Numbers. Okay, let us see. The first question is find the square root of A 4 plus 2 root 3 and B 31 plus 12 root 3. Okay, we have to find the square root of 4 plus 2 root 3. If you remember earlier, how can you do this? You have to convert into the form of a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? So we have to convert this into the form of a plus b. So we have to find out a and b here. Okay? So let us try. I can write 4 in the form of square part, right? That is 2 square plus and 2ab is nothing but 2 into a into b, right? So I cannot take 2 square 4 because I cannot find 2 into a into this cannot become b. So what can I do is I'm going to do like I'm dividing 4 into 1 plus 3 like 1 square, so that altogether I should get a total of 4. 1 square plus root 3 whole square. So 1 plus root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square will becomes 3, right? 3 plus 1, 4 I'll get here. So this can become A, this can become B. Clear? A square plus B square plus 2 into A is 1, B is nothing but root 3. Clear? 2AB. So here A is 1, root 3 is B. So again I can write it as 1 plus root 3 whole square. Root is already there. So the square root and squared will get cancelled. You will get 1 plus root 3. Let us see the next question. The second question is B, that is 31 plus 12 root 3. Second question also we should do in the same way, like where we have to find A and B. Okay, so how can you write 31 here in the form of A square? We have to split, or can we go ahead? Let us see. I can write A square is nothing but root 31 whole square plus 2 into AB. Where is A? A is root 31. Can you write like this? No, it is wrong, right? So what should I do? I have to find a way where I can write 31. So let us start with this because 31 is getting difficult for us. So let us start with 12 root 3. 2 into 6 into root 3. Okay. Or else I can write further into 2 into 2 into 3 into root 3. So 2a b. Let me try this way. Okay, I can take this as a, this is b. Let me try it out. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is nothing but 2 into a into b, that is 3 root 3. Here we get 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 plus 4, did we get 31? Then we are right. Okay, and plus 2 into a into b. So this is in the format of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? So a plus b whole square you can write off directly. So here a is 2 and b is 3 root 3 whole square, and this is squared. We are finding the square root, right? So I am keeping the square at the last. So here square root and square will get cancelled. The answer is 2 plus 3 root 3. Second question, 2a, represent root 2 plus 3 on the number line. So what is the number line? Where we represent numbers equidistant from each other, just like as in your scale. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. But here what we have here, root 2 plus 3. I can rewrite it as 3 plus root 2. Okay, so from which point I have to start? I have to start from point 3. Okay, this is 3 is integer. I can stop here. But it's not 3 only, it is 3 plus root 2. I have to represent root 2 also. So what is root 2? If you take a triangle, root 2 will be the hypotenuse of that triangle. Clear? And how to get this hypotenuse? A square plus b square equal to c square, right? So 1 square plus 1 square, 1 square equal to hypotenuse square, that is root 2 square. Right, this is the hypotenuse formula. So to get this root 2, what I need to do is, I have to represent the sides 1 and 1. I have to exactly consider a triangle here. So from 3, what is I'm going to do is, this is a 1 unit, right? 3 to 4 is 1 unit. So I got this base BC. Okay, 3 to 4 I took 1 unit, and again from 4 I have to draw a perpendicular line. Okay, this is a perpendicular line. Clear? So this is a perpendicular line. Okay, exactly I have to take 1 unit. How much 3 to 4 measures? That's 1 unit. Same thing I have to take here. Take a compass and cut an arc here. This is exactly 1 unit. Now join these 2 points. This is what is root 2. Okay, so exactly as in triangle, we consider triangle on the number line. Okay, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, you got root 2, that's the side. Clear? But we have to get the root 2 on the number line. So what I need to do? I have to take a compass and project the arc onto the number line. Okay, so this point represents the 3 plus root 2 on the number line. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. Represent the following rational numbers on number line: 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. This is very easy actually. You just need to project the numbers on the number line. So let me draw the number line: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So what's the point here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5, if you remember. So that 0.15 comes exactly between 0 and 1. So this is 0.5 or 1 by 2. I name it as point A. Clear? Next, 3 by 2. What is 3 by 2? Is nothing but 1.5. Okay, or you can write it as 1 by 2. So 1 part, 1 unit, and then half of the second. So this is half point here approximately, but you have to take a graph paper and do it exactly. So this is 1.5 or 3 by 2 point, that is B. Okay, this is A point, this is B point. A is 1 by 2, I took B is 3 by 2, and C as 5 by 2. What is 5 by 2? C is 2, 1 by 2. 2 to the 4, 5, 5 by 2. That's the fraction we are going to get here. So from 2 again half, that is 0.5. So between 2 and 3, that 0.5 will come. So 1, 2, that is 2 and half. That will be the 5 by 2 point here. I'm just giving some name, C. Find the square root of 7 plus 4 root 3. So here, if you remove the first question, it is the same as this. What we need to do is we have to find A and B. We have to represent in the format of A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. So let us start. Square root of 7 plus 4 root 3. Whenever you are attempting these kind of problems, first look at the number with the root. Okay, it will give helpful to find out A and B. Okay, so 4 root 3, in how many ways I can split it? Let me see. It has to be in the format of 2AB, right? 2 into A into B, or 2 into 2 into root 3. Okay, so 2 is by default will be there. The remaining numbers in this 4 root 3, it can be A, the other can be B. Let me try. If I add both of these square and add, I should get 7. Okay, so 2 square plus root 3 whole square, that is 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So my assumption of A and B are correct. Okay, this is only for rougher. Okay, let's start over. So here I'm writing 2 square plus root 3 whole square plus 2 into A is 2, B is root 3. That is squared. That equals to 2 square is nothing but 4 plus root 3 whole square is 3 plus 2 to the 4 root 3. Again, we got the same thing. So here A is 2, root 3 is B. This is simply, I have wrote this step simply to show you that we are doing it correct. Okay, no need to write this. Okay, you can skip it off. This is for own calculation. So A is 2 plus B is root 3 whole square. This is in the form of A plus B whole square. A square, that is 2 square, B square, that is root 3 whole square, 2 into A, that is 2, B is root 3. Clear? So 2AB, A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. That is nothing but A plus B whole square. We have the square root. So this square root and 2 square will get cancelled. You will get 2 plus root 3. So what is the square root of 7 plus 4 root 3? 2 plus root 3. This is the answer. Okay. Take a minute to look at how we solved it. It is very easy. Okay, kids. Let's move on to the next question. Find the square root of 49 plus 12 root 5. Same thing applies here. We have to find A square plus B square plus 2AB. It becomes, we should convert in the format of A plus B whole square. So the biggest challenge here is finding A and B. Okay, let us have simple rough work here. 12 root 5 should be in the format of 2AB. As I told you, leave the integer part. Take these square root, the integer with the square root number, and try to split it in the ways where you can get 49. If you add A square plus B square, you should get 49. Okay, so let us split this 12 root 5, 2 into 3 into root 5. Okay, so 2 is AB, right? So this can be A, this can be B. Okay, let us see. 2 square plus 3 root 5 whole square. Clear? This is in the format of 2AB. Okay, so 2 square is 4, 3 is 9, 9 5 are 45. 4 plus 45 is nothing but 14. So our assumption of A and B are correct. So let us proceed. Square root of 49 plus 12 root 5, that equals to, now I am writing it directly in the form of A square plus B square plus 2AB. So here A is 2, B is 3 root 5. A square plus 3 root 5 whole square plus 2 into A into B, that is 3 root 5. This is A, this is B, this is 2AB. Clear? Okay. Now I can write it in the format of A plus B whole square. A is 2 plus B is 3 root 5 whole square. Don't forget to put the square root here. So square root and square root cancel. You will get 2 plus 3 root 5. That is the answer. Okay. Clear, kids? Let us solve one more problem. So the question here is, fourth question. Express the decimal number 2.325 as a fraction. So what we need to do, you have to represent 2.325 as a fraction. So what is a fraction? Fraction will be in the format of P by Q. Okay. So what we need to do, this is a decimal number, you have to convert into a fraction. So 2325 divided by 1000. 3 decimal places, so I kept 3 zeros. So what you need to do, you need to simplify it. Simplifying further, I get 465 divided by 200, and then further simplifying it, I get 93 by 40. Here I have used 5 table 5 times. Again here also I have used 5 table to cancel both numerator and denominator, and the answer is 93 by 40. Can I simplify it further? No, I have to stop here. So 93 by 40 is the answer. Okay, let's move on to fifth question. Express the recurring decimal 1.123 as a rational number. So what is this line on the top of? So 1.123 is the recurring decimal. So decimal places whatever are there keep repeating, 1 2 3 1 2 3 and so on. It keeps repeating, there is no end. So that's what we call as a recurring decimal. So how can you represent this recurring decimal as a fraction, as a rational number? Okay, so what is a rational number? Where you can represent it in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, right? There should not be any square root 2's, which is irrational. You should not get it, and it should be in the form of as a fraction P by Q. Clear? So first take it as this recurring decimal as x equal to 1.123, which is recurring. Okay, now this is the first initial statement of my problem. So what I took, whatever is given, I have taken it as x. Okay, now I need to remove this recurring decimal. So what should I do? I want to divide both the sides by 1000. So multiplying both the sides, okay, with what? 1000. Okay, so what will I get? 1000 into x, that is 1000x, equals to how much it will be if I multiply with this 1000? So it becomes 1123.123, and this is recurring only. Clear? So these 3 digits has moved because I multiplied with 1000. Okay, now let us take this as second statement. This is first statement, this is second statement, or else equation you say. So what I need to do is, now I am subtracting 2 and 1. Okay, subtracting 2 from 1, what will I get? 1000x minus x. 1000 minus 1, right? That is 999x. Okay, this is understood. 1000 minus 1x, this is 1x, right? 1000x minus 1x is nothing but 999x equals to 1123.12. These decimal places will get subtracted completely, and 1123 minus 1, that is 1122. Okay, now this is very came in a very simple way, right? So we need not bother about the decimal part now. Decimal part has been completely removed because we multiplied both sides by 1000. Okay, so here we got 999x equals to 1122. Okay, now solving for x, I get 1122 divided by 999. Now I cannot leave it here. Is this in the lowest terms? I have to check. I think I can go for 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12 by 3 3s are 9, 3 3 are 333. Can I stop it here? I can go further. Is this in lowest terms? See, any fraction you cannot leave it like this. For the answer part, you have to simplify it. Make sure that it is in the lowest terms. This is already in the lowest terms. I cannot simplify it further. So the answer is 374 by 333. Okay. You represent this is the rational number because it's in the form of P by Q. Clear? Thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe and like.